Where the hell is my coffee? Ay, coffee!
I never believed in love.
Yung linya mo, Joril. Ha? Yung linya mo, sabihin mo na nag-aantay na si ma'am. Sorry, Jaina. Ma'am, pwedeng isa pa po? Okay, last chance. Thank you po. Ayusin mo na. Where the hell is my coffee? Ay, coffee!
I never believed in love. I was deceived
Who are you?
by love.
Lyda Magtalas po. Nag-a-apply na editorial assistant. Kahit sa puso ko na lang ikaw mag-apply. Okay na. Ha? Nagbago na. That's not the original line. Ano ba? Pwede rin ba mag-apply? Ha? Apply bilang boyfriend mo? I hope you enjoyed the presentation, ma'am. Kilig, ah. I love the whole roleplay, the background music, and the ad-libs. Okay? I'm giving you 96. Next group. What was that? Ano? What's with the sudden change of lines? You caught me off guard. Bumawi lang ako. Ano? Where the hell is my coffee? Ay, coffee. When you said that line, you actually smiled. And that's the first time you smiled in front of me. Eh di hindi ko nasabi yung tamang linya. Ganda mo eh.
I never believed in love. I was deceived.
Oh my gosh. Nakaharang kasi kayo sa daan. Masyado na kayong pabebing dalawa. Anyways to lovers yarn. Shut up. I like that. Enemies to lovers. What? At ang ship name nating dalawa ay Jurina. Whatever. Oh! I saw that little smile. Jaina!